Are you a federal employee looking to learn more about a thrift savings plan in-service withdrawal? Let's dive into the most important things you need to know about this strategy. First off, what are in-service withdrawals from your TSP account? An in-service withdrawal allows you to access your TSP account while you are still working for the federal government. This is possible because you hit the qualification of turning age 59 and a half. However, you are limited in what you can withdraw by the amount of your vested account balance. Typically, the most effective way to leverage your in-service withdrawal is by rolling it over into a customized IRA account. This keeps your account in a tax-deferred status, so you do not get penalized. Individuals do this when they are looking to optimize specific income, emergency, and growth-related goals for retirement planning. If you are unsure of how to properly retire and do not have a plan in place, feel free to reach out to one of our advisors. While an in-service withdrawal may seem like an attractive option, it's essential to understand the long-term implications and limitations it may have on your retirement savings. Taking out an in-service withdrawal permanently depletes your TSP account, may limit your options for future withdrawals, and may subject you to taxes and penalties. Therefore, it's recommended to ask for help regarding this process. If interested in a free consultation, call our office and reference this video. We look forward to speaking with you.